So I got the camping entertainment center kind of put together. This is running Kodi. I'm using a TiVo remote to Flirk. So go to TV shows. I put in a couple series.
Sorry I'm late, I had a thing.
Yeah, I figure. I ordered you a burger.
Oh, you ordered for me? Oh, great. Why don't we just make out?
Because I don't know where you've been.
So you can tell the sound's not great down the remote. Let me show you how I got it set up. Here's a Jackery. It's using drawing 25 watts. The Raspberry Pi is connected via this cable over USB. I think I need to get a longer cable. That'd be nice. If not, I can use, this is what it came with for power. It's a longer cable. I don't know. I think it would use less power over USB. But I had a dog food dish that I cut in half so I could just pop in the drive, be able to take it out, add more movies, delete movies easily. Here's the Raspberry Pi, Gorilla taped. I've left all the holes open. Hopefully it won't overheat. Then this is just a power supply for the monitor, and it's plugged in here. I could get a power strip and use the other power thing here for the Raspberry Pi and then just plug it in the Jackery. That's an option. Or do that and use shore power.